Ako yung una po eh. Sasawan. 3 years pa lang nasawan. Why not? Kasi before in the 80s and the 90s, yung mga love teams, sobrang nagtatagal talaga sila. Unlike ngayon, I would say, would you say show business is different? Kasi mas gusto nyo na nagtatry na
instantaneous. I think it goes both ways. Pero yeah, it has.
Ako, I would not to share, but I wouldn't mind.
Pero,
I wouldn't mind. Yes. TV and film. I wouldn't mind, definitely. Kasi
naka-record yan, ha?
May proof. I wouldn't mind kasi honestly, masaya ako kasama talaga si Tom sa trabaho. I work with other people na, you know, as in, ano lang talaga, maikli lang, for a short time lang. Tapos, hindi man, pero
build up pa.
Alam mo, hindi come to work na. Work lang din talaga. Ito si Tom, yung napakamasayahing tao. His true personality really comes out like sa workshop. Lagi mo niyang pinapagaan yung situation or yung naman kung late na, you know, he would sing, he would tell jokes, yung mga ganon. So, masaya talaga siya kasama sa trabaho. So, sana, if given the chance, talaga makapaggawa pa kami ng isang movie pa or teleserye ulit. So, I wouldn't mind.
Kamusta yung mga jokes?
Ha?
Kamusta yung mga jokes?
Okay naman. Pwede naman sa akin. Mababaw naman ako.
So, yun yung namimiss ko sobra eh.
May natatawa.
May natatawa. Hindi, pag lalo kayo sa Baliwan, pag sobrang kwenta, tapos si Loren sabihin, ay, yan na naman, corny na naman. Kahit yun naman,
sabi niya,
oras
corny na naman. Yung ganon. So, ano naman?
Pero sa'yo, never kang kumangal.
Ano naman, syempre masaya siya. Diba, kahit sabihin mo baduy man yung joke or hindi, we could all use a minute of laughter at 2 in the morning.
These are the same jokes my dad would tell before. That's na ako nakokornihan. I never would have imagined na nakawin ko pala lahat yun. Parang in-inventory ko pala lahat ng jokes ng dad ko.
Naalala mo pa.
Oo, nanakaw ko lahat. Ngayon, ako na yung...
Sample daw.
Mahirap eh, paglampas midnight.
Parang warm up diesel. May mga particular hours of the day na may mga
Ay, yeah.